just for some time. You can jump tie, okay? Open arms. Here to powerful. Continuous for 1 minute. Drop your knees left and right. Continuous. Okay. Now Gakchan Chansuam, bend your legs, drop heel down. And now butterfly, open knees, and now chai fly, this motion. Gentle stretch for your hip joints. Few seconds. Careful. Okay. Gakchan, bend legs. Thangchan, your legs straight. Jantai, open arms. Chan Phai Lin. Hit wow. Thosa, Chan Phai, 5. On the right side, hit wow lane and Thosa chai. Drop your leg, left and right side. Clear to chai Phai. Drop your leg, left and right side. Just a few times. Clear to more. Yes, continuous. Okay, so relax. Left leg up, Chan Chai Lane. And now same. Butt out, start. Left and right, Chai Phai. Hit wow lane, Thosa Chai. Hit wow lane, Thosa Phai. Tap chum tho, focus on your breath. Tap yoga, so luan tap chum tho. You practice yoga, so most of the time you focus on your breath. Chai Phai, piyato. Okay, so relax, Chansuam. Jantai, open arms. High Chan Lane. Come on now, butt down, Chai Phai. Hit wow, Thosa Chai. Hit wow lane, Thosa Phai. Inhale, both legs up. Exhale on the left. Inhale, legs up. Exhale on the right. Focus on the breath. Back bending is also focus on your hip and core. Just few times. Motu Chan Lane. You have to continuous. Gakchum Tha. Control your spine, control your core. 2 times more. And now relax. Okay, so Thangchan Chansuam. Hit wow. Thosa. Hit wow. Thosa. inhale and exhale. Bend your legs, gap hai chan, nam hai po chan, chan suam. Hold your ankles, your legs down. Inhale, mong len, lift your hip. Exhale, down, swung. Inhale, up, lane. Exhale, down, swung. Hit bow, lane. Pausa, swung. Hit bow, lane. Pausa, swung. Inhale, up, and now hold it. More. High, ba, bon, nam, and now sound. Hit bow, pausa, mong swung. Gap hai chan, om hai chan. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Good. Now lung high. Gap chan chan swung. Bend legs, legs down. Hit bow and pausa. Mong len with the exhalation. And now om hai tai sao lung. Put your hands under your back. Elbow closer and try to be chuk chan. Knee and feet closer, everybody. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Come back, mong swung, gap hai chan, om hai chan. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Once again, gap chan chan swung. Bend legs, your legs down. Again, hit bow, pausa, mong len, exhalation. Om hai tai sao lung. Hands under the hip, under your back. Elbow closer. And now, vice walk, post walk, yes. Chan fine everybody. Lift your right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Chan swung, mong swung, gap hai chan, om hai chan. Bend your legs, hug your knee for relaxation. Tiap tuk, gap chan chan swung, hit bow, and pausa, mong len. And now change your leg. Lift your left leg up. Chan chai len. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Chan swung, mong swung, leg down, hip down. Gap hai chan, om hai chan. Bend your legs, hug your knees. Now one last time. Again, gap chan, chan swung, hip bow, and pausa, mong len, lift your hip. Om hai tai sao lung, hands under the hip, under your back. And now tu tu tham hai chan. Slowly keep your both legs straight. Hong chan len, chan swung, legs down, and then thang chan. Thang dao boy, lock your knee. Hong block so hong kan gap chan okay. Elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Mong swung, hip down, gap hai chan, om hai chan. Bend your legs and hug your knees. Taka hip bow, pausa. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, Now again, thang chan, chan swung. Relax straight, relax your legs. So now we practice the fish pose. Tatka, gaptai only. Gaptai. Now hip out, lung chain, lane. Lift your upper back. Down swung. Thong thang, mong swung thang chan. 1, wide out, go down, khom kanta. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, relax. Down child, down 5. Turn your neck, left and right side for relaxation. Child 5, child 5, child 5, child 5, child 5, child 5, child 5. Hey, one well everybody, one more time. The same, come on. Gup tight. And now lift your upper back. Drop your head down. Come on. Option more. High chan swung. Option high. Mouth chan lane. Option bar. High chan lane. Option num. High thigh lane. Dua goke, thong dua thong kan. 1, hochu chan lane. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Relax. Gap high chan, om high chan. Bend your legs and hug your knees. High chan lane, your both legs up. Jang Tai, open arms, your shoulder level. Hip bow and Thaza, Jang Chan, open legs sidewise. Another practice for your hip strength. Hip bow, Chop Chan, legs together. Thaza, Jang Chan, open legs. Inhale, legs together. Exhale, open the legs. Inhale, legs together. Chop Chan. Toes up, Jang Chan. Inhale, Chop Chan. And toes up, Jang Chan. Now high thigh, both hands on the legs. And then Chai 5. Move the legs on the left right side. Just two. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Just keep enjoying. Gently work out on your hip stretch. Back bending is also need to focus on the hip stretch. To chai, to 5. Okay, Zoe. Hangchan, Gapchan, Omchan. Bend your legs and hug your knees, everybody. Hip bow. Thumbs up. Hip bow. Thumbs up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Themotlan. Inhale and exhale. Now we will go for the rolling for a 1 minute mouth foot. Rolling on the spine. Come on, hata, start. So this is all about your preparatory practice to let your spinal energy awaken. Spontaneous. Continuous. You have to Honkan in Chai 5. Tapchung bonding. Focus on yourself. Tiap. Few more seconds. Continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Tatka boys mom, sit down. Thangchen and Pui Suang. Back forward. Just lose your spine here. Relax few seconds in this position. Okay, so now we go with some twisting repetitions. Muelan, Sangchai, and then Sangfai. Tatka Jantai. Open arms to shoulder level. Thangchen, leg straight. Inhale, exhale, Sangchai. Turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, right side. Sangfai. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, exhale, turn on the right side. And now the last round. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. 9. Inhale and exhale, turn on the right side. Mue. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Pui Suang, bend down, relaxation. Very good. Come back. Everybody cross your legs here. Down Tai Sao Lung, finger lock from behind. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop shoulder, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Pui Suang, bend forward. Mo Suang, Thang Lung, Tai Leng. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again, Lan Hai, second time. Focus, opening shoulder and upper back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward, Pui Suang. Spine straight, hip down. Inhale, come back. Again, same, open shoulder, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now turn, right side. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now Chai on the left side. Nearby your left knee. Hip down, Mo Suang. Thang Lung, spine straight. Tai Leng, both hands up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Hai Tai Leng, both hands up. Dan Tai, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and pull your shoulder behind. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, exhale, thighs long, relax your hands. Hip bow, high thigh length, both hands up. And exhale, thumbs up. Again, 5. Hip bow, come back. Thumbs up. Again, child. Bend on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Again, 5. Bend on the right side. Boobs, stomach in. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Again, child. Bend on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, high thighs long. Relax your hands. Everybody, take the wheel with you in your upper back. Long chain. Good. Use upper back. Long chain. You have to use the wheel for your upper back. And now high thighs down. Put your arms back. Down one. And now just stay. You can foot tie, you can finger lock, and just stretch your arms. Long chain, long chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze one. Bend down. Thang thigh, thang low. Come on, stretch your arms, stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Okay, come back. Second time, same tap, same practice. Again, long chain, lunge high. Again, upper back only. Down one, high thighs out. Push your arms back. And everybody choke tie. You can make finger lock. And then just stretch your arms, stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back in here. Exhale again. Twist one. Bend down. Bend forward. Stretch your arms. Stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Now go for the third time. Remember, this time will near to your spine, near to your bottom back, as maximum near. Now tap long swan, maximum near to your hip or to your lower back. Same down swan, high thighs out. Push your arms back. And now then stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Twist one. Bend forward. Come back on you. 1, 2, 3, Hemothlan, same practice. Lungs 1 for your lower mid back. Again, high thigh length, high thigh sow, push your arms back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and now 10. Okay, Zoe, very good. Just tight, hand tight and push more. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Relax and come back, everybody. Put your right hand front, tie 5, right hand on the left side, tie chi lane, give a twist and look up at your left palm. This is just a alternate practice after for the back bending. Keep your chest out. 1 for the upper back and upper back twist and your shoulder opening. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 9, 8, 10. Okay, so relax, come back. Same practice, other side. Your left hand, right hand up, high lane. More. 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 10, thumb, come back, relax. Push again. Push, relax. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Okay, so come back. Tap thumbs in. Relax. Relax. So we will go twisting again. Jantai, open arms. Inhale, exhale, turn on the left side. This is very good to reduce your tummy. Boom, your hip. Hip out. Come back. Toes up. Tap neo twisting the top. Boom, your hip. Hit vào. Toes up. Sang trái. Một chút quay đi không sao. Hít vào, thở ra, sang phải, on right side, hop up, mông xuống, phải vai lên, trái vai xuống. Thêm một lần, hít vào, and thở ra, sang trái, and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so come back, hit vào, thở ra, exhale on the right side. Use your shoulder strength. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale, down by sound, finger lock from behind and then Kuismon, bend down. Focus on your shoulder opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and now 6. Come back. Hít vào, thở ra relax. Gập chân. Hai tay sau mông, table pose. Hai tay sau mông. Hít vào and thở ra. Chân lên, sorry, mông lên. Gập chân. Gập chân mông lên. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, hít vào, thở ra, mông xuống, hop up, knees xuống, suck your belly, look down. We go second time, thêm một lần, same. Hít vào, inhale and thở ra, mông lên, lift your hip. And now từ từ thang hai chân, chua song, slowly keep your both legs straight. Maintain the same position of your arms and your upper back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Inhale, exhale, moves 1, squeeze 1, bend forward, thang chân. Relax, relax. Relax it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everybody. Tatka, jang hai chan, open legs, your side box. So now take a wheel again with your back. Now wheel joint, long sau, high leg, and high sau. Just lying on the wheel, you maintain the gap according to your flexibility. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back, inhale, hit walk. Thauza tatka push one, bend down. Mojo, little bit try. Thang thigh, cup thigh, your arms straight, you can drop elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Now one more time, hey Motlan. Close as maximum you can. High thigh lane, both hands up, and then try to be light on the wheel and keep pushing your hip front side and then rest it. 1, 2, 3, jump tight, or you can be down tight. Give the maximum stretch. The stretch will be go deeply from your upper back to your bottom back. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Everyone. Inhale and exhale. Then squeeze one, bend down. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back everybody. Take a wheel sidewise. Legs closer, tangent. Relax your legs, move your legs. Come in the meow meow. Cat pose. From cat pose, we'll come in the extended child pose. Knee to hip align. Stretch your arms. Monk sound and then try to go down. And then just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Monk swan. Push your hip down here. Hand just a bit ahead. Press your palm. Duak, then if you can do more, then keep your arms inside. Khong duak, jatko, you cannot. Difficult, so khong ka. Here you go. So it depends on you. And then try. Shoulder, Y, open up. Y swan, mochut gaptai, and then try to be nin lane. Look up. Tap chung lung, tap chung tho. Focus on your breath. Focus on your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chan, thang no. Your arms straight, your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chan chai lane, your left leg up. Chan chai chuak, your left leg in between your arms. Chan phai swung, everybody here. Drop your right knee down. Optional practice. If you need the block, use the block. If you can touch the mat, here, 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 so khong kai. Khong duak, cannot use the block. Try and then try to be bent back. Anything you can be try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swan. Downward facing dog. And now the same. Chan Phai lane. Right leg up. Chan Phai chuak. Right leg in between arms. Chan Chai Swung. Good. Drop the left knee down. Take the blocks here again. With block or without block, you can try. Come on. Monk swan, Lung Sao. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Chan Phai Sao and Meow Meow pose. Once again. So we are making the sequence, we are making the flow. Second time we'll go again. Now Neil Praveen, look at me first. So you will do the same thing. And after you can hold the mat. Your toes inside. Option mode. Daugwe swung. Option 2. Daugwe lane. Lift the knee up. Option 3. Thang chai. Tabdi. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Daugwe lane. Khong tuak sa khong han. Khong. Okay. 1, 2, khong khong khong. 3, just down. Khong khong khong. 4, khong khong. Same. Daugwe swung. Khong. Okay, nothing. Khong you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Relax. Monk swan. Again, both palm side of your chest. We'll go the same practice again. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder, chest front, and then try to be nin lane. Look up. 1, and now hit out thousand tiatu. Continuous breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale. Relax first. Tatka hit out thousand. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and then exhale. Once again, hit wow, inhale, and lift your chest up. Lane, thousand. Drop your shoulder and head. And now, gup high chan. Bend your both legs, everybody. Hong mong lane. Mong swang. Mong swang. Hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back in the child posture here. A little open your knee and then just stay. Mong swang, hip down. Come on, sitting position. And now we will practice the camel posture. Camel posture we will practice 2 times today. So, Nam Hai Kochan, you have to be hold your both ankles. Options tatka pirzo, you all knows. Flatten feet. Try Khongdua. Try Khongdua. You have 2 blocks and then try. Come on, Tabdi. Practice. And then push your hip front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Sitting position, hobo, squeeze, and just look down. Mong swang. Just relax. And now same, lung high one more time. Again stand on the knee. So this time everybody take the 1 block in between the thigh and press it. Press. Yes. And now again, lung high posture. Try once again. What you have to do, you have to be keep pressing the block and squeeze your thigh inside and connect your hip with the back. When you hold, you drop. Yes. Konga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax, come back, come in the child pose for the relaxation. Downward facing dog. Our last sequence. Chan chai lane, left leg up. Chan chai chuak. Drop your right knee down, chan phai swang. Tanka hit wow, hai tai lane. And thousand, bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit wow, come back. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, then try to bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. And now the last time, Lan Ba. We will hold a bit longer. Hemon Lan. Hit bow, Hai Tai Lin. And Thao Za. Then try to be bend back. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Downward facing dog. Balan with both hands. 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Tatka, hit bow. Thao Za. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chan Phai Lin. Right leg up. Chan Phai Chua. Right leg in between your arms. Chan Chai Swam. Hit bow. Hai Tai Lin. And Thao Za. Bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Relax. Second time. Hit bow. Hai Tai Lin. Thao Za. Bend back. Lift up your spine, your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your hands. And now the last time. Inhale. Both hands up. And exhale. Then try to be bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale, relax your hands. Downward facing dog. Everybody first. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now child pose. Relax. Child pose, yes. Relax everybody. Pose on, relax. Relaxation for some time.